beautiful Nono Hubbies, welcome back to my channel. This is Uncut with Nono Hubbies, where we bring in videos that have caused controversy on the internet, on the social media. We bring it here and we dissect it because what? We love to hear from you guys. So guys, today's video is Pete Edochie and the son YUL Edochie, which they said is Odogu and now is all Diego. I don't even know guys, but this video is actually I don't know, it's not that I'm happy 100% about this video I'm about to make now, because I don't know if you guys know, after the interview Pete Edochie had with JUDY.
YUL is 41. Good. I really don't interfere in his affairs. No. Suddenly we heard he's picked up a second wife, right?
You didn't know before you picked the wife up?
There is one thing you must know about me.
Right.
I don't lie. It's not necessary.
Right.
God created me so well. If I tell you this thing is black, it is black. You know, it's like when he wanted to run for governor or something. When I saw his photograph, I thought it was a production they were doing. There was somebody who phoned me and said, you know something, YUL is running for governor. And I said, it must be crazy. Ow. I never heard it.
Right.
And I have 5 sons. First of all, interfere with their lives, you know. If they say that so that something is happening, good. If they don't tell me, I don't bother. If they tell me, beautiful. We just heard it, and that's it, you know.
So you suddenly heard that he had taken a second wife. So you were saying you suddenly heard that.
Yeah, we did. You know, there is something we always say in Igbo. Onye kpata nkwaruru singwele bia tu onye ava. In other words, if you go and pick up ants-infested faggots, it's a direct invitation to the lizards to come to roost, right? Good. So, here I am, and that's all. Mary is not just a daughter-in-law. I don't want to say that I love Mary more than the other wives of my sons. I don't interfere with them. The love I have for Mary is so strong. Why? The father and I were very close. Yes, and when we went for the traditional marriage rites in their place, the kind of reception their people gave me, I will never forget. Mary is a girl I love to the marrow. By the way, she's a wonderful person. Mary is a very, very brilliant girl. You may not know that. Mary is a computer wizard, that lady you're looking at, right? And to a very large extent, the success of that home is to Mary's credit. Yeah. But again, you know, things like this happen, and it's so difficult to convince her that you are not part of, you know. Mary is a wonderful person. In fact, I just had myself, and the message she put out was so endearing, you know, yeah. And Mary is a wonderful woman. A lot of people have been advising her wrongly, you know, trying to see if they can sunder the link between herself and her husband. Most of those women who are advising her that way don't have good homes, you know. And the message she put out was so...
On YouTube, he said so many things. He said how nice May was, how homely May was, how techy May was, and he referred to YUL Edochie's wife snatcher, JUDY. Referred to her as lizard that came and lizard that will go. So he used so much proverb on her that even if a small boy will understand that those proverbs is things like, I wasn't there, I wasn't in support, I didn't know when it happened, I didn't even know they were married, I just heard it that he's married to him. So the JUDY that is claiming that YUL got married to her probably went to Omomano in Onitsha and took some fake elders to whatever. I don't even know how the thing happened, but the fact is that Pete Edochie is not Pete Edochie, sorry, is not a known of all this particular story. And guys, I don't know, it keeps surprising me. I know in the Bible, all the great men in the Bible were put down by a woman, Samson and Delilah, and so many of them, and it's really happening. Guys, do you know the extent that YUL Edochie was loved by every youth? I can remember that time he was planning to come out for governor or president or something, and we were actually even backing him, even though we don't even know what he's going up there to do. And people are actually happy right now saying that thank God they didn't even vote for him, or thank God he didn't even pursue it. So this would have been what we would have said. Like, it's an example of don't judge a book by his cover. You know, his own is the opposite of it. What we are saying, we are thinking he's a human being, but the other side of him is just nonsense. You know, his bass voice that shows manly of him is the opposite of the bass voice. Like, inside him is like a snail talking, and outside him is like a man talking. Okay, but this video, what I brought about this video in particular is the extent that this man had come with this girl to make him to come on the internet to come and shame his father. After his father had done that interview, he actually came to the internet to write that the truth will still come out. He didn't even stop there. He went to go and bring a previous video. I'm going to play it. He went to go and bring a previous video that had, they were trying to do a movie, because YUL is the producer, Judy is the producer. I think they were trying to do a movie. And you know, in this movie industry, what I understand about it, since the era of going to rent movie from a video club had closed, most of them now produce this movie and face it on YouTube. So they're always looking for things that they don't have to put so much finance on, because they don't know how the video is going to go on YouTube. So what I understand about that movie is that, about this video or the movie or anything, is that, okay, I am the producer, this Judy here is a producer as well. We don't have to pay each other at the moment. This is my father, we'll pay him. We can even owe him and pay him when this video has materialized money for us. Do you understand? So it's like a family thing. That's what I understand about it. And come on, you're my son. You asked me to come and feature in a movie. I'm going to come and feature in a movie. It's professional. I won't tell you things that I can't feature in this movie since Judy is already in this movie. I can't feature in this movie. There's no need of saying that. There's no cause for alarm. I just come and do my acting and go. But this stupid you went to go and bring this video as an evidence after the whole interview with Judy and Pete Edochie thing has gone around. Everybody, all those people that were supporting Judy, all of them, I didn't see all of them talk in the comment section again. Everybody was quiet. People were saying that Judy was a bad person, and people were telling them, how can a father-in-law speak so much of love of this woman if he was actually bad to the husband? Because people were saying that she was bad to the husband. We don't know what is happening under the basket. Maybe you're talking shit. But this man actually spoke for 15 minutes good things about me, and he said, to his best of his knowledge,
to a very large extent, the success of that home is to Mary's credit. Yeah. But again, you know, things like this happen, and it's so
that's the 98% of the progress in that family is from me. Can you imagine? This man said it with his teeth. So all those people are saying that me was the problem in that house. They didn't have anything to say again. All of them shut up. They all shut their mouth, because there were handwritings on the wall. If me was a bad person, how can the father-in-law? Do you know the love you have for your husband? It was extends to your husband's people, the mother, the sisters, everybody. Yes, is what extends, because you wouldn't want to make him angry. You wouldn't want to make him, you know, that kind of stuff like that. So the love extends even when you know that maybe they're not treating you well. But for the fact that if you do otherwise, that your husband is not going to be happy about it, your husband is going to be hurt, you just try to, like, you know, make things amends and just move on. Okay, so immediately after those video, I just digressed a bit. Immediately after that video, you brought out the video of the acting scene, trying to prove to us that if he's saying all these things about me, he was also here jollificating with Judy. People lambasting. They lambasted him. They told me, and so if he's here acting movie, that is professional. You are the son. How can he say no to a movie scene for you? When he knows if he says no, you go and get another person, you will pay higher. If you're supposed to pay him 200, If you get another person, you can pay the person 500. The person will agree to take less than 500. And because he's your father, you can even pay him when the money for that movie has materialized. He's going to have patience for you. So we all know these things. We all know these things are business. So why are you bringing it up as? And to even speak of it, the thing that even irritated me the more, that even made me to come up with this video, is the fact that he actually used because of this woman to come on social media. It's not inside their house as family matter. To come on social media to try to, or to even belittle his father, or to call his father a liar. Because what he did was to call his father a liar, even though he's not right, daddy, you're lying. That stuff he wrote that is true to come out and bringing out that video is indirectly telling us that your father is a liar. I don't know. People on the comment section are saying that this in Nigerian movies that it takes 3 months before the jazz will come up for the person eye, but this will not pass 3 months. I don't know. But what I'm just telling you guys is that things that is not right is not right. See, if you're watching this video and you're a snatcher, you like to take things that does not belong to you, because some girls are professional in taking things that does not belong to them. Example, when they see a relationship or a marriage that is working well, they want to go and feast in that place. They will start falling in love with the man. It happens in relationship, it happens in marriage. They will even have their own boyfriend, but because they are seeing that their boyfriend's friend is treating their friend very well, they will forget their own boyfriend. They will start wanting to dive into that relationship, even though it's going to cause hurt for the girlfriend, even though it's going to cause breakup. They don't care. So if you're watching this video and you like to invest, or you like to feast on things that belongs to somebody, stop it. Do you know why? Because it's a karma, it goes round. That man that left the girlfriend or the wife that they've been together for some years just for you, what makes you think that man will not leave you? It's just a question. What makes you think that man will not leave you? I can remember this Tonto thing. They were saying, Tonto is a liar. Tonto is a child of the world. That she must have been requesting so much from Churchill. He cannot fit his bills. He cannot fit his flamboyant bills. Even Tonto came that period and said that the car she bought, that she said that Churchill bought for her, was a lie. That she was even the one that used her money to buy it. She said so many things that people did not agree. She said how Churchill was maltreating her, how Churchill does not bring any money to the table, feeding or anything, or for the child. Okay, nobody believed her. And now, the one that claimed that she was Churchill's brother that snatched from Tonto. Now, rumor is going around that they're having problem, and that Churchill is even beating her, and blah 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 blah. Though they came on the internet to debunk it with videos that showing they were going to some trip, we don't care, because Noel and Juby did it. The Damascus did it. They came with videos to debunk it. When the fire was firing, Noel and Juby, she no run out. She ran out. She ran out even upon the video she used to debunk that we heard that they've separated. She ran out and she came and she confessed. So even this video that this Churchill and Rosomia or something brought out to debunk this, we know what is happening already. There is no smoke without fire. Okay? We know there is fire on the mountain already. So I don't know. Institutions like this, come on. If it's not long truth, you're trying to take somebody something, then why should you just invest your strength, your energy in such a situation that you know that it only takes days to backfire? And trust me, when it backfires, it's not going to leave you with anything. You really saw somebody in marriage and the man is disturbing you, or you're disturbing the man. I don't know whichever, because women are devil too. Don't be surprised it was Judy that was telling you must come out and giving him things, because this one is not manch. I don't know the kind of manch that the kind of pussy that she has, that you do not enter the pussy, you will not get lost. I don't know. I think it's beyond pussy, because what all pussy are the same. What so I think it's beyond that. Okay, so whatever. But what makes you think that somebody was in marriage for years and had grown-up kids? I don't know. But the fact that it has gotten to the point that you'll have to come on the internet to even have to indirectly call the father a liar. I don't know. In fact, I'm just as surprised as you are. I'm just as surprised as you are. So guys, I don't know what you think about this video, or what you think, or what you want to write down in the comment section. Just write down something in the comment section. Let's talk about it, because YUL is really getting out of hand. It has gotten extremely out of hand what he can do because of this woman. Even when he lost his son, it was barely 3 months. He was already on Facebook posting videos and trying to earn money. He turned his Instagram page into coming to do advert, you pay some money. He was just behaving so somehow. He has lost his friends, all those his big friends, Cubana them, although he has lost all those crew because he's a disgrace. I don't know if he's not seeing the disgrace. I don't know if he's not seeing anything, to the extent that I'm very 100% sure that it's Judy that is handling his account, because the kind of things they post there, I think Judy posts it herself. I think she just collects the phone, log into her social media and posts those videos herself. I don't know. And the person who put this thing to is not even talking. Me is not even. We won't hear from her. And the woman that took husband is the one that is running helter skelter. She go explain tire. You or whatever your name is, whenever they jazz, whether it's jazz or it's not jazz, that is your business, because of course me has moved on. It's very pitiful, if I will say, because is she going to be hot? Yes, but time heals wound. It has lingered, so time heals wound. Time heals wound. He will heal. By the time his children are grown up, go and tell mommy, be fine. It's okay, leave daddy. When the children talks to her and her family talks to her, with time it's gonna heal. It won't be easy, but trust me, she's healing. She's growing into it. She's growing out of it. Because the memories that she's going to be reminded of, how they went through, how they stayed growing, how they invested, how they built to this extent, all the promises that came out from the man's mouth, like you can never see it. It shocked her. Even coming to the fact that she saw it for the first time on social media, it shocked her. So guys, just tell me what you think on the comment section. What do you think about this whole controversy? YUL EDOCHIE, JUDY EDOCHIE, EDOCHIE. What do you guys think about it? Because me, I wouldn't have talked about this thing on normal day, but I actually want to talk about it because of the extent that it has come on social media to refer to your father as a liar indirectly because of Judy. You come on. So guys, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Do have a wonderful day. Bye.